Hi students, good news to you. After many days, you got an opportunity to participate in some competitive events. Yes, the event name is Tech Extreme, and this event is being conducted by Chalapati Institute of Engineering and Technology College, and it is conducted by the CSC department. And if you can see here at the bottom, there are 6 types of events. So I will discuss about each and every event in detail. But before that, what you have to do, share this information with your friends so that they can also participate. And the very happiest thing for this event is there is no registration fees. There is no registration fees, and you can visit this website for more information, csctechwings.in. I will show you. I will enter this website and I will show you all the details to you. And you can win some attractive cash prizes also. So winning the prizes is not the secondary, but participation is very important. Please remember that. And this event is on 17th and 18th December 2021. So every day from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. I mean these 2 days, the event will be from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and it is a virtual event. So on Zoom or GeoMeet, you have to participate in these events. As I told you, there are 6 events. Yeah. So what are those 6 events? We will see here. So first of all, know about this event. Tech Extreme is a technical event which is organized and managed by TechWings Association. TechWings is a student association of Chalapati Institute of Engineering and Technology and managed by CSC students. This event is sponsored by AICTE Species. So these are these events. First one is a Tech Hunt. So basically it is a technical quiz, right? And second one is the paper presentation event. You can also participate in this. You can choose any topic and you can give a presentation on that. And third one is a photography contest. The name is Perfect Shutter. You can also participate in that. And next one is Avishkar. So if you have any innovative ideas, you can present your ideas. And next event is a poster presentation. So you can explain any concept or any new idea in the form of a poster, in the form of diagrams. And we also have the competition on short films. So start camera action. So all events are very interesting. So because it is free of cost, there is no registration fees, so you can give a try for this. So I will give the registration link in the video description. So using that link you can register to any event you are interested. And if you want to know any extra information about any event, you can send a WhatsApp message or text message to this number. Okay. So again telling you, this is a wonderful opportunity for students after a very long time. So please try to participate and also share this information with your friends.